Good afternoon, this is Keith All, and welcome back to another episode of amazing tips, tricks, and hacks using the Builderall platform with the Cheetah Builder. Today we're going to learn about button hover effects and how you could make certain effects on buttons. So like here, I have these buttons that when you hover over it, the background color changes, the text color changes, as you can see, and also there appears to be, of course, a solid border around this button. So let's see how we could do this using the Cheetah Builder within Builderall. So I'm in my back office, I'm on my page, and I have this button element. So once you click on it, let's open up the side tool bar and let's click on the edit element. And then the first thing is, let's look at these colors here, the background colors. So you have to go over to the general colors, and then the solid color, the background color setting is going to be the initial color that you have once the web page is open, as you can see here. Now if we go back, that's that. Now the setting for the background color hover is how you set, you click on this element right here, and then these are the settings that you can put. So if you know the hex code, you can paste it right here. So in other words, when I hover over this button, it's going to change to this color, as you can see on the live website. Okay. Now, also under these general settings is the hover text color. I set it to black. Again, if you click on this, it opens up the tool where you could select a color either by clicking anywhere on this area or by putting in the hex code. It's set to black, so when I hover over it, this text color is going to change to black. So let's go over here. As you can see, the text color is now black. Okay, now let's see about the other settings. Let's collapse this, and let's see the border. Let's expand the border. So the border color is this color right here. Again, you set it by clicking anywhere in here, adjusting this slider or whatever, and then the top slider you adjust, and or if you know the hex code, you paste it in here. So the border color is this color. The border size is 2. So if we come over here, as you can see, once I hover over it, there appears to be a border of a blue color around it. So let's go over here. However, for this to work on this button, you have to select the shape of it. So here there's a drop-down list. You can either have none, a dotted, a dash, solid, or double. So I selected the solid. So make sure that you select one of these options for that border to appear. Now let's go over to the headline element. Let's collapse this and expand the headline. Now the headline, of course, is where you set the text on the button, which is more info, which is what I said here. You can set the size of font size, which will change the size of this font. You could set the font family, and also the color of the initial text on the button. In this case, I have it set to white. And as you can see here, it's set to white. So that is another tip that you can dress up the design on your website by having certain hover effects and also adding other settings that make it more appealing for the end user to see. Thank you for stopping by today. You have a great day, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, and also please like, share, and comment. I appreciate your support, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye now.